Right. So it says equals limit x approaches 0, 1 minus 1 minus 3x all over x, 1 plus root of 1 plus 3x. Okay, this is one thing I want to be very, very clear about. Okay? Should I sub that 1 into my denominator? Should I say 1? Should I sub that x into my denominator?
No.
No, never. Never. Remember what we're trying to do here, you want to get rid of that x. That's the part here, okay? We're trying to cancel first, right? So, we're up to Megan L. What do we, there's 2 Megan L's.
Oh, no.
Megan. 2 more Megan. 2 more Megan? Megan, go ahead.
I must apply to find my job, but okay. So you basically just factor out your x.
Yeah. Good. So negative 3x all over x times that. It turns into limit x approaches 0, negative 3 all over 1 plus root of 1 plus 3x. Okay, how do I know that I can't go any further? Like, why am I happy with my work so far? This is important for limits, because there's not really a defined endpoint to the question. Like, looking at this, how can I tell that I don't need to rationalize again? Like, what's sort of the, Megan, go ahead.
Look at the top, you already have a basically defined value.
Yeah, very good.
Get a problem now.
Good. Remember, the problems are when you have 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. If I look at the numerator, there's no chance that I get to possibly get a 0 over infinity, which is going to be negative 3. Right? So I'm finally going to sub in, see this, I'm finally going to sub in x equals 0. And you get negative 3 over 1 plus root of 1, negative 3 over 2. That is.
That's a nice number.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
This is the magic of calculus. Like, it looks hideous at the beginning, and at the end everything
I can
cancels.
see why, like, you don't need your calculator to calculate. Because that was pretty, I didn't check my calculator.
That's good. First time for everything we use that, you see. I'm sure your calculator could do this question though. Okay, your calculator could do it.
Absolutely.
All right. You should be a calculator salesman as well.
I did the calculator.
I'm going to tell a joke here. Here's example 4. Example 4. I'm going to put it on the board. I want you guys to try this one out. Example 5, I'm going to do 4. You put example 4. I want you guys to try this one out, okay? Example 4 says, limits. X approaches, oh, look at this. X approaches root 2.
You can have a square root inside of a square root, but it's going to be squared.
If that isn't cool, I don't know what is. Okay, so take a try. I'm going to pause this. Take a try on this one. Brianna, can you please follow the topic for me? I can't hear you, but I'm assuming that this is what you said. I'm just going to write it down. Okay, for the people that are yakking, I appreciate the enthusiasm for math, but give people a sec here. So hopefully what she said was 9 plus root of 7 plus x squared, minus the root of 7 plus x squared, minus 7 plus x squared. Hopefully, is that what you said? I hope that's what you said. Yes? Lovely. Okay, why do I need to put the last one in brackets? Sam, why do you put the last one in brackets? Yeah, remember, like, you're subtracting both of those things, right? Okay, because little small allowance mistakes cause problems. All right, am I going to FOIL the numerator? Somebody tell me why or why not I should FOIL the numerator. This is really important.
I did it and it was stupid. Yeah, because we did it.
Let the internet know what I did not call read stupid. Read highly intelligent, okay?
It works out, like we're trying to eliminate that.
Yeah, you're trying to cancel things, remember, right? You got to think of what's causing the problem here. X squared minus 2 is equal to 0, so probably we don't want to take out an x squared minus 2. Okay? We're up to Nick. What should I do now, if anything?
You can cancel out.
Yeah?
The square root of 7
Those are both gone then, right? Perfect. So it turns it to be limit, 3 root 2, whoops. X approaches root 2, x squared minus 2, 3 plus root of 7 plus x squared, all over 9 minus 7 plus x squared. Lovely. Courtney, what do I do now, please?
You put the logic of negative into brackets,
Sounds good?
and that was equal to 2 minus x squared, and then take the negative back out.
Yeah, because that's sort of the aha moment of this question. Okay, hopefully when you get to this step, this is just good algebra here, right? Like there's, this is the type of stuff I sort of expect. It turns to 2 minus x squared. When you're looking at that question, hopefully you're saying to yourself, that looks a lot like the numerator. Matt, how do you make that exactly like the numerator? Good. This turns to be limit. X approaches root 2. X squared minus 2. 3 plus root of 7 plus x squared. All over negative x squared minus 2. Does not make you feel good? Is this question making you feel good? Like it's things work in calculus. That's how it should be. Sam, what do you do next? Good. I'm actually going to move that negative to the top because if it's a negative, the denominator or the numerator is the same. I'm going to call my question limit x approaches root 2, negative 3 minus root of 7 plus x. Ah! And when you stuff that in, I'll just stuff it in quickly. It should get an answer of negative 6, I think.
Yeah. Man, that took about 3 weeks.
Okay, so remember for homework tonight, 1 to 4. Okay. Homework is 1 to 4 on the sheet. I will be walking through the library and the cafeteria at 2 o'clock, so if you're stressed out about things, let me know then. As well, I'm in here at lunch today and every day if you're further stressed out. Okay? See everybody, have a good day.